AMC Upper Primary Question 29. Madeline types her 3-digit personal identification number, PIN, into this keypad. All 3 digits are different, but the buttons for the first and second digits share an edge, and the buttons for the second and third digits share an edge. For instance, 563 is a possible PIN, but 536 is not, since 5 and 3 do not share an edge. How many possibilities are there for Madeline's PIN? Okay, we'll begin by drawing the keypad. So, step 1 is to draw the keypad. That's what we have to do. So, it's 10 parts of the keypad. So, 9 at the top and extra 0. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Okay, now for number 1, how many possibilities are there? There's 1, 2, 3. 125, 145, and 147. So that's 4 possibilities. For number 2, we have 236, 214, 258, 254, 256. So that's 5. For number 3, we have 365, 325, or an easier way instead of doing 3, we already know that for 3 it's going to be 4 because it's a corner piece just like number 1. So we'll move on to number 4, which has the possibilities 4, 4, 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 8, and 4, 5, 6. So 5, 5 plus. For number 5, we have 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 1, 5, 6, 9, 5, 4, 1, 5, 6, 3, 5, 4, 7, 5, and 5, 8, 9. So that's 9 possibilities. For number 6, we have 6, 3, 2, 6, 9, 8, 6, 5, 8, 6, 5, 2, 6, 5, 4. So 5. 7, again 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 0, 7, 4, 1, 5. 8 is 8, 7, 4, 8, 9, 6, 8, 5, 2, and 8, 5. So that's 5 possibilities. Finally, second last one, 9, 6, 3, 9, 6, 5, 9, 8, 0, 9, 8, 7. So that's 5. And finally, 0, we have 0, 8, 9, 0, 8, 7, 0, 8, 5. So that's 3. So we add up all these numbers. So 4 of these 5s is 20. We can add 4, 5, 4, 5, which is then 18. And 3 and 9 is 12. So 30, it's 20 plus 12 equals 32. Plus 18 equals 50. So our answer is 50. The final option is 50.